She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Hey guys, welcome to it. Today we are doing a Apple product collection. I am so excited about this video. We are just going to talk about all the Apple products that I own currently. Maybe I'll even show you guys a couple of my really old ones, like my old iPods. But yeah, we're just going to be going over all of the products that I own and how I use each one of them. I use all of them for different reasons and everything, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys today. I don't know why, but today I have been procrastinating filming this video so hard. I was doing the randomest things. Like, I even got to the point where I started cleaning my room because I was too lazy to get out my camera and set everything up. But hey, we're here now. We're filming. I'm also like super impressed with my camera quality right now. I don't think it's ever been this good, so. Okay, we keep getting super off track, but anyways, I love Apple products. I don't know if you guys can tell by my like 15,000 videos that I post about Apple products, but I love Apple. And I'm guessing you do too, since you're watching this video right now. Speaking of loving Apple products, if you guys love Apple products and lifestyle videos, then I am your girl. It would be super helpful for me and you if you subscribe to my channel right now. We are growing and I am loving it. So yeah, thank you so much for supporting me, and subscribe or at least like this video. Alright, so anyways, as we were talking about, I love Apple products. I have loved Apple products since at least 2009. 2009 is when the iPod 3 came out, and I was only 9 years old, but I was obsessed. And honestly, when my 9-year-old self finally begged my parents enough to the point where they finally got me an iPod, the new iPod 4 then came out, and of course that one had the camera when the iPod 3 didn't, so everybody else was getting these iPod 4s with cameras, and I was stuck here back without a camera. Sad. Soon after that, okay, well maybe not that soon because it was a couple years maybe, but maybe like 2012, I got this bad boy. The super cute iPod 5 in the bright blue teal color. Honestly, it doesn't even turn on anymore and I'm so sad about that. So I had this bad boy from about 6th grade to 8th grade, so all middle school, and then I believe the end of 8th grade I got upgraded to, wait for it, this thing. This, I believe, is the iPhone 4. Classic little charger there. I can usually get this one to turn on if I like charge it enough, but once I get it on, I completely forgot the passcode and I try it and then I disable it over and over, so I kind of just gave up on it. But that's kind of the story of where my love for Apple all began. Alright, now we are going to get into the products that I currently own and use every day. I just wanted to put out a tiny little disclaimer real fast, just saying that yes, I bought 3 out of the 4 products with my own money that I worked hard for and earned, and a lot of these products I recently bought within just the last couple of years because I was old enough to finally get a job and start working hard for these products. So don't come at me saying that I'm spoiled or that I'm rich. I'm really not rich. I've talked about this in past videos, but just want to put that disclaimer out there because hard work makes the dream work. Pretty sure that's supposed to say teamwork makes the dream work, but either way, you have to put the effort in to get something out. So now I have the iPhone 11 Pro in space gray, and it is the 256 gigabyte storage, and I believe that's all you really need to know. It's the iPhone 11 Pro, not just the plain iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I believe those are all the specs on it. This is that one product that I was talking about that I did not personally buy myself. My parents did buy this for me, but that's just the one thing that my parents always provide for us is our phones and all that stuff, so very blessed in that region. Just saying, I'm not taking it for granted or anything. I just did want to put out there that this is the one that I did not pay for myself. So this iPhone is the product that I use the most out of all the Apple products that I own. I use it every day for pretty much all day. Literally, my last upload was a what's on my iPhone. So go check that out to see my wallpapers, all my apps, how I use my phone and everything. It's all talked about in that video, so check that one out. Also, if you haven't heard yet, I do make my own wallpapers and graphics and put them for you guys online for free on my website, but that'll always be linked in my description. That's another one that I made myself also, and I upload them on my website for free for you guys to enjoy, just in exchange for all of your guys' support. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't haven't yet. But anyways, I use my phone mostly for communicating with other people. Obviously that's one of the main uses for the phone. Social media, making my thumbnails for my YouTube videos, as well as some other graphics. And then I also edit all my pictures on here, like my Instagram pictures and all that stuff. Those are really my big uses for it. I play a couple games every once in a while on my phone. I played Fortnite in my last video if you guys wanted to go watch that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my iPhone. I show you guys all my cases and accessories in my What's on My iPhone video, so don't forget to go watch that one after this one. Okay, now the next Apple device that we're gonna talk about is my Apple Watch. So I got this Apple Watch last summer as just like a little treat to myself, I guess. I unboxed it for you guys and you guys really liked that video. This is the Series 3 Apple Watch with no cellular, and it is the 38mm screen size, and I use the small large band, and it's in space gray. I also recently did a What's on My Apple Watch video, maybe like last week, 2 weeks ago on my channel, so if you guys want to go see what my favorite apps are for the Apple Watch and exactly how I use it, go watch that video. It's very informational, but pretty much I use my Apple Watch mostly for getting notifications and texting people back occasionally, but mostly honestly getting notifications, like Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, texts, calls. That's my main use. Also just checking the date and time, obviously, gets to watch. But that's pretty much it for my Apple Watch. As I was saying, you guys can go learn a lot more about it in my What's on My Apple Watch video, which will be linked below for you guys. Next, we have my iPad. Okay, so I recently got this 2020 iPad Pro, literally like weeks ago. I seriously haven't had it for that long at all. I unboxed it for you guys, showed you guys what was on my iPad. I'm soon going to be doing a how to customize your iPad video. I seriously have so many videos to do with this beautiful thing, and I love it so much. But as I kind of mentioned earlier, this is the 2020 iPad Pro in 11-inch space gray color, and then it is the 128GB storage, and that's pretty much all the specs about this. I use this mostly for graphic design. I've showed you guys how I use my iPad in a day, so go watch that one. So kind of going off of that, I kind of use it for schoolwork. I'm still learning how to use it for schoolwork, so that's kind of like a little bit of a learning process, but we're working on it. But mostly my #1 use for it is the graphic design feature and just getting to draw out things for fun. And then as kind of its own Apple product, I have the Magic Keyboard. I just unboxed this and reviewed this for you guys on my channel as well. So here is that for you guys. I guess this kind of counts as its own Apple product. And then going along with that, another accessory slash Apple product for my iPad is the Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation and I bought it used. So speaking of that, I will have all the links for all of these products in the description for you guys, and those are affiliate links, so if you purchase through those links, I will get a small commission of that at no extra price for you guys. So it's a win-win for the both of us, and it helps me and supports me greatly, so thank you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my iPad. And then lastly, my MacBook. This is a true beauty. But this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro. I'm pretty sure it's the 2018 because when I posted my unboxing, I believe the 2019 MacBook Pro had come out like a week after I bought it, but that's alright. Anyways, it is space gray color, 512GB. And that's pretty much it. But anyways, I use this mostly for editing my videos. That's mainly the biggest thing. I use Final Cut Pro for all of you guys who ask. I usually watch Netflix or Hulu or like YouTube on it whenever I'm bored. Before I had my iPad, when we were all still in classes, I would use this to take notes on at college during my class. And I also use it for a majority of my schoolwork. So that's pretty much it on my MacBook. My question for you guys is, what is your most used Apple product? I mentioned this in my video earlier, how mine is my iPhone, but I want to know what your guys' most used product is, so let me know in the comments below. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my past and present Apple products. Again, if you guys love Apple products and lifestyle videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or like this video. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.